So I want to talk about using graphs to solve equations. Now, I think that at this stage in your career, many students are uncomfortable using graphs to solve equations, and they're much more used to pushing numbers and symbols around. But I'd like to do a rather extreme example today to demonstrate the power of solving equations using graphs. So here's our example problem. Someone has given us the graph of this relationship between x and y. Y is supposed to be equal to negative natural log of hyperbolic cosine of x squared minus 1 quantity plus 3. Now, this is an intermediate algebra class, and by no means do I expect you to have seen the natural log function before. In fact, in this function in the center here, hyperbolic cosine, you typically would not see until your sophomore year of mathematical studies. Nevertheless, we have the power to answer the following question. Solve the equation 3 equals negative, all that stuff from before. The entire right-hand side has just been copy-pasted. Now, here is the secret. From the original equation to our equation, which we're trying to solve, only one modification has been made. And they have said, I want y to be 3. They have specified that for us by replacing y with 3. And so I'm going to go into this graph here, this graph given on the right-hand side. And I'm going to look at the region of this picture where y equals 3, as they've specified, this height right here. Now, when it comes to graphs, the only way a point is qualified to be on the graph is if that pair of x's and y's represents a solution to the equation. So that means that these 2 points here, these 2 points, this one on the left has coordinates -1, 3. This point on the right has coordinates +1, 3. These 2 points represent pairs of x's and y's that make our original equation true. And because of that, if I plug in x equals -1, I know that I must get out a y value of 3. And if I plug in x equals +1, y equals 3 must come out from that result as well, because these 2 points, these 2 xy pairs, are on the graph, which means that I can solve this equation just by reporting back the x coordinates that give me this particular y. The solutions are, if x is equal to -1, then y will be 3. And if x is equal to +1, y will be 3 in that case as well. An incredibly powerful tool.